Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potassium metal. We'll explore the fundamental chemical principles involved in synthesizing this highly reactive element. Understanding its properties is crucial, as potassium is never found in its pure metallic form naturally. We will discuss the general approach of chemical reduction, which is key to isolating this fascinating metal from its compounds. To synthesize potassium metal, you'll typically need a strong reducing agent, such as sodium metal, and a potassium compound like potassium chloride or potassium hydroxide. Safety is paramount when working with reactive chemicals. Always ensure you wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety goggles and gloves, and work in a well-ventilated area to prevent exposure to hazardous fumes. The core of making potassium metal involves a reduction reaction. You would heat a mixture of a potassium compound, like potassium chloride, with a strong reducing agent, such as sodium metal, to a high temperature, often above 700 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the sodium donates electrons to the potassium ions, reducing them to elemental potassium, which then vaporizes due to its low boiling point. Once synthesized, handling and storing potassium metal requires extreme caution. It reacts violently with both water and air, so it must be stored under an inert liquid like mineral oil or in an oxygen-free atmosphere to prevent dangerous reactions. Always use proper tools and techniques to avoid direct contact. For more information on safe chemical practices and other great deals, check out the links in the description below, including one for the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.